Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to study about equation balancing. Equation balancing. Let us write an equation. N2 plus O2 gives N2O. Can you say this equation is balanced or not? So the steps are, this is a chemical equation, and the left side of the equation is the reactant side and right side represent the product side. And we are going to write the number of atoms of each element in the left side and also in the right side. So listen, nitrogen, element nitrogen, how many atoms are there? 2. The left side, oxygen, there are 2 atoms. Right side, the product side, nitrogen, how many atoms? 2. Oxygen, how many atoms? 1. This one is understood. Okay, no need to write 1. Okay, oxygen is equal to 1. Can you say this equation is balanced or not? In terms of nitrogen, the nitrogen atoms on both sides are same. But the oxygen atoms are different. Oxygen in the left side is 2 and right side equal to 1. So, is the equation balanced? No, the equation is not balanced. And we are going to balance this equation. And what is the need of balancing the equation? This is to preserve the law of conservation of mass. The law says that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical reaction. Matter can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical reaction. Therefore, all the chemical equation must be balanced. So, simply we can balance the equation like this. Here, nitrogen atoms are already balanced, isn't it? Then oxygen atom 2 in the left side and 1 in the right side. How will you make the number of oxygen 2 in the right side? By writing 2 as a coefficient here. Write 2 in the left side of N2O. Do not write 2 in between nitrogen and oxygen because it is not possible to insert numbers in a compound. Okay. So, write numbers just as a prefix, as a coefficient. Okay. So, write 2 over here. Then multiply each element with this 2. So, how many atoms of nitrogen in the molecule? 2. 2 2s are 4. Multiply. 2 2s are 4. So, strike out the old number 2 and write the new number 4. Next, 2 into 1 is already there. 2 into 1, strike out the old number and write the new product. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then look, now oxygen is balanced but nitrogen is not balanced. Nitrogen is 2 in the left side and 4 in the right side. So, to get the balanced equation, we have to change the number of nitrogen 4. So, multiply or write 2 as a coefficient along with the nitrogen. So, 2 2s are 4. Strike out this 2, old number and write the new number 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Hence, the balanced equation, we get the balanced equation as 2N2. So, let's write balanced equation. 2N2 plus O2 gives 2N2O. This is the balanced equation. Next question. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. A simple equation. Write the number of atoms of hydrogen in the reactant side 2. Oxygen is equal to 2. The right side with respect to hydrogen, right side number of hydrogen is equal to 2. Okay, hydrogen, then write oxygen, next element oxygen 1. So, already hydrogen atoms are balanced, now oxygen is not balanced. So, make the number of oxygen the right side 2 by writing 2 as a coefficient along with the water. Write 2 over here, then multiply each atom, number of atom with 2. 2 2s are 4, strike out 2, write 4. Then 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now, hydrogen is not balanced. So, right side there are 4 atoms, left side only 2. So, write 2 along with the hydrogen. So, then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Strike out 2 and write the 4. So, balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Next equation. C plus O2 gives CO. Write the atoms, number of atom of carbon, the left side 1, oxygen, the left side, reactant side 2, in the product side carbon 1 and oxygen is equal to 1. So here carbon atoms are balanced on both sides, but oxygen is different, 2 and 1. So how will you make the number of oxygen 2? By writing 2 as a coefficient along with the carbon CO. So multiply both the elements, carbon and oxygen with 2. How many atoms are there for carbon? 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and 2 into 1, oxygen 2 into 1, 2. Then look, oxygen atoms are now balanced but carbon is not balanced. So write 2 along with the carbon as a prefix. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Hence the balanced equation 2C plus O2 gives 2CO. This is the balanced equation. Next is a very simple equation. H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. How many atoms of hydrogen in the reactant side? 2. In the reactant side, chlorine is equal to 2. In the product side, hydrogen equal to 1, chlorine equal to 1. Then balance the equation, hydrogen 2 in the left side but only hydrogen 1 in the right side. Chlorine 2 in the left side, chlorine 1 in the right side. So how will you make the number of hydrogen and chlorine equal to 2? Write 2 along with HCl. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Hence we get the balanced equation H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl.